Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about 10 important checks that we have to do when we are going to use a car. It's very important to do these checks, especially when you don't know the car very well. Maybe it's a car that belongs to a friend of yours, or you just bought it and you don't know very much about it. So firstly, what I'm doing is I'm always starting from the engine, and over here there are 4 checks that we have to do. Firstly, we're going to check the cooling system liquid fluid. It's right over here on the left, and they have a maximum and minimum level. Check the level for the cooling system fluid. After that, fill up the fluid for the washers right over here. In the middle we have the engine oil check, where we can check the engine oil level. It's right over there. But the engine oil at this particular car, you can check it from the menu as well. And over here on the left, on the right, sorry, we have the brake fluid compartment. You have to open this, and you can see over here the maximum and the minimum level. So it has to be between the maximum and the minimum. In my case, is the maximum level, so it's all right. Before you leave the engine compartment, please check everything to see if everything is it's all right. If you turn all these caps for all the compartments. And now we're going towards the driver's side door. And over here we have to check if we have petrol. Everybody knows how you can check to see if they have petrol or not. In my case, it's right over here on the right, on the left. I don't have too much petrol, so I can't do a long trip. This is number, I believe, 5, right? Check number 5. Check number 6. We have to check all the tires to see if they have the normal pressure. And on this car, it's right over here. You can see what is the pressure that every tire has to have. Especially, for example, this car in front has to be 2.6 bars in the front wheels, and in the back wheels 2.3 bars if you want to go with the eco driving style. And now we're going to go in the back, and over here you have to check to see if the warning triangle is alright, if the extinguisher and the medical kit. Another thing that I have to do over here for this car, for example, in the boot underneath you have the spare tire. It's very important to check if you have all the parts, all the tools necessary for you to check to change the tires in case you need it. So these are the 9 steps, checks that we have to do, so we can have a nice beautiful ride with no issues whatsoever. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe.